to settle down, but trouble hides in what you do. The devil's in the noun. You're not too old, not silver-haired, still strong and full of fire. But peace is hard when you're ensnared by arms that don't inspire. On the dusty road you wander, with the wind as your best friend. No forecast sees the thunder, where the highways twist and bend. But I feel less cold, less lonely, when someone breathes nearby. Not to own me, not to hold me, just to live and let dreams fly. They told you twice, with love you'll cope. Life's better side by side. You smoked that thought like fragile hope and took a different ride. Your bike and peg said all you need. No perfume, kiss, or dress. You left the game of hearts and greed and found your own success. On the dusty road you wander, with the wind as your best friend. No forecast sees the thunder, where the highways twist and bend. But I feel less cold, less lonely, when someone breathes nearby. Not to own me, not to hold me, just to live and let dreams spread. A friend stood there, unsure, alone, crushed out a cigarette. The dust rose like a